Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some maths about Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam published by Arihant Publication. Yes, so the questions that are given in the book are very valuable. So I would like to ask the students to use this guide for entrance test. Now let's move to the question. The first question is, what is the first question? Yes, it is. If 23,200 divided by 145 is equal to 160, then 23.2 divided by 1.45 is equal to, let's see, what is it? 23,200 upon 145 is equal to 1, right? 160. Similarly, 23.2 upon 1.45 is equal to how many? So it is 232 upon 10 into 145 into 100, right?
1.67.
I removed decimal point, right? So 0 0 cancelled, that is 2320 upon 145. Mark that here 23200, here 23210, and the bottom number is same, 144. So
45.
here 45, right? Thank you. 145, 145. Thank you. So here double zero is used, here single zero is used. So 1 0 is less. So here the answer will be 1 0 less, that is 16.
16.
Could understand? Okay, now let's move to the next sum. That is what? Next sum 52. Yes, 52. 84% is equal to 42 upon 100. No, wrong, it is wrong. And 42 upon 50. Yes, it is right. 84%. This is percentage fraction. We will convert it into fraction. So then common fraction, that is 84 upon what? 100. Right? That is 100. So it is divided by 2, it is 50. 2 4 the 2 2 the, that is 42 50. Right? So this is the answer. Number 2 is the correct. Black. Could understand? Okay. Okay. This is the right answer. Now let's move to the next one, that is here. Number
54. 53.
53. What did I say?
Amen.
Yes. So here a man buys a TV at rupees 18,200. Buys means selling price or CP? Cost price, that is CP. CP is equal to 8,200, right? Thank you. He spends 1,800 on the repairing. Repair. How many? 1,800. Total CP is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 to 20,000. This is the total actual CP. Right? If he wants 3,000 profit, he bought at RS 20,000. He wants to make a profit of 3,000. At what selling price he will sell? Will he sell? Tell me. At what price will he sell? He wants 3,000 profit. 20,000 କିଣିଲା ତାଇ ସେଥିରେ ସେ ବିକିବ 3,000 ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ ପାଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାରେ ବିକିଲେ ତା ହି ୱିଲ୍ ଗେଟ୍ 3,000 ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ ଟେଲ୍ ମି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ 3,000 so SP is equal to what? SP is equal to 23,000. Right answer is
23.
what is the selling price of the TV? 23,000. Okay.
Answer 3.
Answer 3. Bujhipacha, good understand or not? Okay. Now let's move. Yes. Number 54. In what time 3,500 will be? This is the principal. P is the principal. That is Muladhana. 3,500. Okay. In what time 3,500 will become 4,130. That is A. A means amount. Samala Sudha. That is 4,130. Right? When annual rate of interest is given, rate is how many? 60%. 6%. So amount is given, principal is given. We can calculate interest. Interest is equal to what? Amount minus principal. So that is amount A minus principal 3,500. Right? This is P is equal to what? Interest I. So 0. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. We can subtract 5 plus from 1. We will borrow. Here 4. We will take 1. The remainder will be 3. Here 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 plus 5 is equal to how much?
11.5.
Yes. 11 minus 6. Right? 3 minus 3. So profit is this is the interest. What is asked? Time is asked. T is equal to what is I into 100 upon what? P into R is equal to I into 100 upon what? 630. So sorry. 630 into 100 upon P 31
35.
P is equal to 35 100 or 3,500 right into R is equal to 6 okay 00 cancel right 3 to the or 6 1 the 0 5 35 3 the 35 3 the that means how many years 3 years how many years 3 years which is correct this one is correct number 2 is correct okay next one is what is questioned when 76,076 is divided by 13 so questioned what is questioned yes this is a division mark this is called dividend dividend right dividend divisor this is called divisor right this is called questioned spelling yes tell me QUOTIENT questioned and this is called remainder remainder, right? So dividend means bhajya, you know, bhajya,
division
bhajya, divisor bhajaka, bhajaka. Now question means bhagafala, bhagafala, right?
ଭାଗ ଶେଷ
Right, bhaga
ଶେଷ
shesha. Okay. So what is given? Let's see. We are given course dividend is given, right? Dividend is given and divisor is given, and we are asked to find out the question. Okay, we shall do it. Yes, that is dividend 76076 divided upon 30. Right? 36 is the how many?
36
No, 30 it will be more than the, then 35 the 65 1 and 1 0. Then tell 37 the 13 7 the 91. Okay. 13 7 the 13 8 the 13 8 the 13 8 the 3 8 the 24 4 2 81 the 82 1 0, right? Then 6 then 6 here is 7 13 5 the how many? 65 2 6 we brought down 6 here 26 is 13 2 the that is 26. Okay, the question is 5852, right answer? Yes. Okay, which one?
2
2 or 3? 5852 2. Okay, yes. Next sum please. Which one?
56
A common multiple of both 9 and 7 is A. This number is in between 1000, 1200 and 1300. What is the number A? Right? So a common multiple of 9 and 7 both A. Then number will completely divide both 9 and 7. We observed that only two number 11 9 7 and 1260 is completely divided by 9 and 7, but only number 1260 is in between 12 and 3. Thus the number A is equal to this one. What are given? Yes, this is given. Mark that the 1200 and 1300, right? Right? So this is a wrong answer because it is not between 1200 and 1300. Okay? Right? Then the number is which number? Is between the 12. This is the number. This is the number divided by 9 and 7. Could understand? 9 and 7, it's a multiple is equal how many? Common multiple 9 into 7 is equal to 63. Could understand? So 63 into 2 is equal to 1 to 26. Mark that this one is. Right? Yes. Next. What is the next term in the given series? What is the next term? Tell me. 9 4 9 4 9 4. So in every case 4 is added. Right? 9 4 13 13 4 17 17 4 21 21 4 25 25 4 29. Right? Could understand? In each case 4 is added. Next one is in which of the following number only one prime number lie? only one prime number. When you the between 90 and 100 only one prime number is yes 90 or 100. Okay, that is 97. So find the sum of, okay, we shall do it. Find the sum of ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା we shall mark how many digits, highest digits are after a decimal. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 digits, maximum 3 digits are there after a decimal. Okay, so 7.700. Could understand why I used 0? 0 they not, it was not given. 0 they were not given. I used it to start in a particular column. Next 7.770. Next 7.777. Next again the 7.777. Okay, done. Okay, done. So this one is wrong answer. This 7.7 right. 7.0 right. Next 00. It's not given. So this is 0. Could understand? This is 0. No, we shall do it. Leave it. Oh, yeah. Another 7 is given, right? 7 0, yes. 0, right? 0 0 7. Okay. Okay, it is the question, right? So 7 plus 7 is 14. We will keep 4 and take 1 over here. 7 14 14 7 21 22. Kept 2 and take 2 over 2 here. So 7 for the 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. 0 and 3. Yes, 7 for the how many? 28 plus 3 is equal to 31. So 31.0247. Right answer is what? 31.0247. Wait. Okay, done. We shall move. Wait. Yes, here is the answer. Which is correct? Tell me. 31 point. This is the 31 point. Number 4 is correct. So last number, let's see. Okay. So number 6. A rectangular plot. You know this is a rectangular plot, right? So a rectangular plot has sides 100 and 100 meter. This is 100 meter. Yes, it is 8 meter, right? 8 meter. Find the length of wire to surround it 3 sides, 3 times. Or 3 times? 3 times into perimeter. Se कहूची आर लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ देइछे. लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ आर गिवन. ताकू ए चारिपटे गोटे वायर घूरेवा. चारिपट मानसे पेरीमीटर. केते थर गुड़ेवा? 3 टाइम्स. 3 थर गुड़ेवा. से वायर लंब केते? ता माने पेरीमीटर इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई पेरीमीटर इंटू 3 वी विल अंडरस्टैंड द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर. वायर टाउ जानि परिया, तार लेंथ टाउ जानि परिया कि नहीं? तो कौन करिया? फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट इट्स पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर मीन्स व्हाट? पेरीमीटर मीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 into L plus B, right? Is equal to 2 into 100 plus 8 is equal to 2 into 180, that is 3 60 into 3 is equal to 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 8 and here 1, 3 3 is 9, 1 10, 1008 meter m. Right answer is equal to yes. Okay, 1080 meter.
Two.
This one. Yes, 2 is right. So, with this, that is the end of today's math lesson. We shall do it in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.